Okay, I've ordered a bunch of stuff from Banggood, specifically order number 104140788, ordered October 12th, 2021. That was two Eachine E013 micro FPV RC drone quadcopter kits, and they arrived today. And I haven't tried using them, so I don't know if there's anything else wrong with them, but there was no shipping damage. Here's the shipping label that was on the package. I'm just covering up my home address there because I don't want that in my video because this video's got to go up on YouTube. Now, the controllers, like I said, I haven't had a chance to try using anything. Couple of comments. One, they're supposed to come with little screws to hold the battery compartments in. And they come with the screwdriver that you would use to take the screw out and put it back in. However, both controllers are missing those screws. That doesn't really matter. But what does matter is that these control sticks are supposed to, freely move, and they're spring loaded, and they're supposed to return to center when you're done moving them around. Now, as you can see with this one, it's stuck here at the bottom. Now, if I push it away from there, I can go like this and like this and like this, but if I push it down there, it sticks there. So there's something wrong with this controller. So of the two kits that I bought, the one came out of the box with something wrong with the one controller. And so I'd appreciate it, Banggood, if you could do something about that. Okay, thanks. Bye.